Hello friends, I'm Dr. Swasti. I'm a senior consultant gynae-oncologist at Max Institute of Cancer Care, Max Patparganj and Vaishali, and Max Med Center Noida. So when I was training as a gynae-oncologist and also doing my residency days, things were different. Things were not so easy. We had to really go and haunt and flock the libraries, wait for our turns, go through journals, go through books, try and see where and what evidence you could get, rely more on textbooks, and every evidence that you were looking at was not so easily accessible. We had to go and find it, then to retain it, get a photocopied, and I'm sure you would relate, and all my colleagues during those days would relate to what I'm saying. Interesting cases always make your day, and when we were training as residents, definitely we were wanting more and more of knowledge which is easily accessible. So I think this platform is excellent. Conceptual surgery will provide you easily accessible knowledge from the best teachers, from people who've gone through difficult times, difficult situations and become what they have become. And it's very important not only to operate well, but also to understand which patient to operate, which patient not to operate. And that is something which only comes by experience, by sharing of skills and knowledge. Most people will, most surgery procedures you will read in the books, or in textbooks will tell you about indications of surgery and contraindications of surgery, which are usually sometimes absolute, but there may be many relative situations in where you don't want to operate because you feel that the outcome that you desire to give the patient may not actually happen. And this sort of a clinical judgment and decision making only comes with years of experience. And of course, all of us at Conceptual Surgery are here to share our experiences with you. I hope this makes it a wonderful experience for you to go through these dedicated didactic lectures, not only lectures but demonstrations, skill sharing and lectures, notes, and enjoy the sessions, enjoy the live sessions too. Cheers and have a great time.